pass me the hoop. This nigga came sideways, just pass me the roof. One thing about Yike, I won't hesitate to do. Matter of fact, when my flow so sick, I'm about to flu. I give it to a nigga straight up and down. If a nigga telling on his homeboys, I'm getting from round. A nose for the money, call me a bloodhound. My name ain't Young Jock, but when you see me, it's going down. I clutch that 4 pound, I smoke it by the pound. You fuck with me, you put your hands on me, I'm spraying rounds. I never been a clown, I love the Drake Brown. I turn a whole smile to a motherfucking frown. You fuck with me, it's Yike Yard, bitch, it's Red Yard. The click of the niggas, we be going so hard. You fuck with my niggas and we gon' tear your ass apart. I been by this, I been thugging from the start. Nigga, it ain't no Facebook shit, it's that no look shit. Still told me to pay for the pussy, that's a no look, bitch. You better go and get on with your life, cause you ain't get no money from me the motherfucking night, nigga. Shout out to motherfucking Jimmy Neutron, and shout out to Baby Soldier. Them boys going in, rolling like a rover. Matter of fact, I be blowing on that Doja, do just what I told ya. Matter of fact, I ain't never been a hard head, nigga, keep it kosher. I'ma keep it gutter, fuck with me, bitch, you in trouble. I be in the street selling cocaine, tryna double, tryna bubble. I'm tryna come up. Matter of fact, you put your hands on me, you get dumb up. I put them paws on you, pussy niggas get scared, you put the laws on you. Nigga, pussy nigga, that ain't gangster. I keep it sharp, I think I might just shank you, but I ain't gon' pull no knife. I be up all night, and matter of fact, like Jump and Young Corn, I'm about that life, I'ma keep it real. I keep it nigga 100, like Future, give me your subject, I keep it honest. I came up all dice, I'm just honest. And if I ain't with my kids, I get money. Put your hands on me, nigga, you get these diamonds. Fuck that, you fuck with yeah, we coming, I'm dumping, you jumping, like Nick Cannon. When it's about my family, pussy nigga ain't no understanding. I get to a nigga, straight. You waiting on my trail, but you late. You claim you eating, but ain't got no plate. I'm on the block, serving frosted flakes. My hustle great, Tony the type, fuck with me, nigga, I fight you. And I ain't no Mike Tyson, I won't bite you. And I ain't gon' speak to your ass if I don't like you. I'ma keep it short and sweet, nigga. Cause I be thugging in these streets, nigga. I keep them hollows in my heat, nigga. And for that bitch, I keep a magnum on my meat, nigga. And I got J's on my feet, nigga. Behind 10, cause I just love being the street, nigga. And you don't even know that. Take a picture, nigga, cause this shit here kinda Kodak. Know that? Get money and blow that. Matter of fact, she bad, she was thick, I had to throw that. I getting so much money, it's feeling like, boy, I grow that. Matter of fact, I been my dad ass in the city, know that. Got 2 kids, Keisha and Kisiana. Fuck with them, I'ma eat your ass up, no piranha. Yike, nigga, Red Yard. Fuck with it, nigga. Put on for the city, nigga, St. Pete, man. We in here, nigga. Shout out Jizzle, shout out Trug, man. You know it, shout out that whole Red Light movement, man. Fuck with a nigga, man. Signing out, bitch.